Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Good evening. Good evening.
Good
ma'am.
evening,
Good evening,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
My name
Tell me.
is Prashant Shinde, and this is my son Samarth Shinde. He
Okay.
has done in 2 days workshop very nicely. We didn't thought that he will do so much. We were not thinking that much, but he has done very well reading the books blindly. All the cards, balls, colors, and everything he has done well in 2 days only.
Thank you
We are
so
very
much.
proud of us and
Great brains.
great brains teachers, Pravina madam and Aruna ma'am. We
Thank
are
you.
very thankful that we are just came from Mumbai to
Yeah.
Visakhapatnam for this only.
Wow. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice workshop, ma'am. And I am surprised, very surprised. This is very nice workshop.
And
Thank
shocked.
you. Yeah, very shocked.
Yeah. Hi,
Definitely.
Simran.
Electric gun shock.
Some
Yes.
You
Hi.
should say.
Hi, my name is Samatha. I study in 4B and my age is 9 and this year I will become 10. And this workshop was very nice and like enjoyable and very much exciting.
Oh, thank you. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
And
Thank
I
you,
was
sir.
shocked when I saw when I opened my blindfold and I was shocked.
Wow.
Madam.
And Pravina madam was nice and Aruna
Thank
madam
you
was
so much.
Wow,
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank
Thank you.
you.